Hi, and welcome to my raw unboxing of the Netgear Nighthawk AX6. I purchased this wireless router from Costco. It's not the AX8, it's the AX6 like I mentioned before, so hopefully it's as good as the newer version. I expect it is. This presentation is unedited. I wanted to show everything. Here's the easy to read instructions. The unit itself is very light. It didn't feel heavy. Normally it feels heavy, but I guess that's no longer a sign of quality. It has the usual for Ethernet connections, and then the connection for to connect to the cable modem. Here is the scan code. I left it on just for future reference, and I didn't like the plastic sheet. Obviously, it doesn't do any good for ventilation, so I just cut around it. This thing did come with an AC adapter. Yeah, you would expect one. It sounded like it wouldn't come with one, but yeah. Happily surprised it's small. Usually the AC adapters are kind of large and bulky, and they kind of get in the way. The unit looks pretty nice. Again, it was fairly light. I came with 4 dipole antennas. Here's one. I'm going to attach it just to show you. You screw it on. I prefer the screw on versus the push on or press fit. I believe this is more reliable. And like I said before, it's fairly light. It has 4 connections, 4 antennas, 2 in the back, 1 on each side. Those are the remaining 3. And AC adapter. And I show the specs there, just for your reference, in case you ever wonder what it looks like. I just plugged it in for the heck of it so you can see where it goes. Obviously it doesn't go anywhere else except one place, but it's a small AC adapter. And the last thing is the coaxial cables, the flat ribbon. I prefer the round coaxial. I feel it better, so it doesn't interfere with other units. So I go with the round cable. If you have one, I would rather use that. I would recommend you use that. And again, it has a power switch, has a connection so you can mount it on the wall. Not necessarily has to go on top of the desk where it can take up space. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very raw unboxing. I'll be doing other ones.